What is baking soda?
Baking soda is a common household powder, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate. It's often used in baking, cleaning, and even personal care. Its unique chemical properties make it perfect for neutralizing odors, an ability that goes beyond masking smells and actually changes the chemistry of odor molecules.
The chemistry of odors.
Odors are caused by volatile molecules released by substances around us. Many bad smells in homes come from acidic or basic compounds in garbage, spoiled food, or pet accidents. These molecules travel through the air and interact with our noses, causing unpleasant sensations.
How baking soda neutralizes smells?
Baking soda is slightly alkaline or basic. When it comes in contact with acidic odor molecules, a chemical reaction takes place. The baking soda neutralizes the acids, turning them into less volatile, odorless salts. This process actually eliminates the odor instead of just covering it up.
Best ways to use baking soda.
To fight household smells, sprinkle baking soda on carpets, inside shoes, or in garbage cans, and let it sit before vacuuming or discarding. In the fridge, leave an open box to continuously absorb odors. For drains or sinks, pour some down and rinse with hot water. These methods let baking soda interact closely with odor sources.
Baking soda, safe and effective.
Besides being affordable and widely available, baking soda is safe for most surfaces and people. Compared to many chemical deodorizers, it works naturally, without harsh fragrances or potentially harmful ingredients. Its effectiveness comes right from chemistry, making it a simple but powerful solution for fresher air at home.